that's all done. All the wheels, all the bracketry, all the gussets. It's all welded on and tidied up. I've put the flappy disc around it just to take off any burrs. I've left them open because the client said he wasn't worried about it being capped or sealed, or so it's all done. And I've made this little handle which fits under there just like that, and you can actually move anything around and just unclip it, so it's not going to be in his way, and because there'll be like a flywheel, or depending on which end it sits at, the engine that's going to sit on there. He said he'd be happy to paint it, so we'll go for a little drive and go and hand it over and see what he thinks. Hopefully he loves it. Here we go. G'day guys, so I'd like to introduce you to Gary Murphy from AMC Restorations, which is the client for the trolley. So tell us a bit about your business, Gary. What do you actually do here?
Thanks, Jim. Yeah, I restore old Ramblers, AMC Ramblers, and I've been doing it for a couple of years now as a full-time business. It's been a lifetime passion, and yeah. Just wanted to also take the opportunity to thank you very much for doing this stand, which I obviously need, as you can tell by the amount of engines that Jim knows that I have.
Is this not the only one?
This is not the only one, Jim. I just wanted you to do the first one, so now I'm putting the order in for another 10. Thanks, mate. As soon as you can.
Excellent. So tell us about the display, Gary. That we've sat on this frame.
this frame. This engine here is it's a 401 AMC engine that's been built for a customer's Jeep, 1984 Jeep pickup, and yeah, it'll be getting installed very soon. So
what sort of horsepower is this thing? Getting off topic, but
getting off topic. Yeah, this thing is supposed to be pushing somewhere around the 400 horses, but it's built for low down torque. Deliberately for low down torque, this thing. The guy does a lot of towing and always has his Jeep loaded up, so he's looking for something.
Okay, so for the millennials, in the horsepower, that's what, 1.72 gigawatts or something? Is that about where it is?
If you say so. I don't know the conversion on that stuff.
Yeah, neither do I, so we'll go with that.
We'll go with that. Yeah.
So this is the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll put the link below for Gary's Facebook page. So anyone in Australia or worldwide has an AMC motor vehicle, he'd be happy to chat with you about any, and see plenty of photos that you have online, and his presence in his community is growing quite rapidly. So check it out, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Thank you. Bye.
So I'm going to edit all of that anyway.
You're going to edit a dog out.
Jigs, you're a funny dog, aren't you? Did you see the last video I just put up the other day?
Not the other day.
He's in it.
Is he?
Yeah, right at the very end when he peed against a tree.
I'll
You'll
have
see
to
it.
go and have a look. He wants to look at you. He wants to be.
You want to be in the middle, don't you? He can, it's all right. If we don't need you to see your tummy and everything.
Good boy, stay there.
Yeah. So they're all done, all welded up, all finished, all tidied up, ready for paint. So let's get them loaded on the ute and go for a drive and take them over to Gary at AMC Restorations. He should be quite happy. Okay, let's go.
Hey Jim.
Hey Gary, how are you, buddy?
Good. Hey, you know the other day I was asking you about those 10 engine frames.
Yeah, mate.
How about we make it like, 5 for the moment and maybe another 5 in a month's time or so and see how you go with that. Nah, don't worry, mate. I'll grab all 10 of them now. Good on you.
Woo! Okay, let's get them unloaded. Thanks,
Right,
buddy. Yeah, so we're all done on this one. Job's all delivered and painted. If there's anything else that you'd like to see me do or manufacture or create or build, as long as it's got a motor in it, that'll be fine. I'd like to thank Gary from AMC Restorations, and we'll catch you on the next one, eh? Thanks for watching. See you later.